circle. It's just the teachers also have to be educated. The parents do have to be, I think, involved totally in it, as the parents want to be involved completely in it. Now, we should also have the children take part in this discussion. We must know the view of the children, what the children do feel, what do they feel, should they be punished or not, or what is their, limit of their punishment. What happens today is now, like, if we will get a group of parents together, most of them will be very scared to go to the principal and to tell the principal that we do not like this, we do not like that, because they are so scared in the sense that they don't want the school authorities indirectly harming their children. They don't like parents. Today's school authorities don't like parents who are very vociferous and who come as activists to them and who make their voice, their feelings, they take their feelings across. So this is becoming also, this is very difficult even when the parents want to go, but for the sake of the children, their education, they don't want the child to be kicked out of the school, or they don't want the teachers to punish. I can tell you from personal experience, teachers can be very cruel, school authorities can sometimes be very cruel to the children when they don't like what their parents have come in, whenever they put their their views across, what they really feel. And so this is a little whatever.
Thanks, Laura. Now let's ask questions. All your teammates have left you. They wanted to feel the questions alone.
One thing we wanted to know was, what was the event that you conducted besides the debate actually?
A debate. We conducted a debate on this. We got debate.
Because
Whether corporal punishment should be given or not.
No. Between who and who?
between the illiterate politician, education minister, number one, the policy makers, the IS, the educationists, the parent teachers association, and of course the groups.
You already done this, or you want to do this? This is from past experience, or?
No, what we wanted to give in the present headline.
No, present.
Okay. I'm just asking. Okay, so they are basically creating a panel debate.
A
with
discussion
various panels.
panel. Discussion.
That I think was there. But I think you put that in a target audience.
Yes.
Yes, we have just got the target audience.
Yeah.
So it would be something that people from all walks of life, they come and express their views.
A big fight.
Yeah, something.
And it will be on TV or it will be where will it be?
It is going to be a round table conference. So if it's
It will get coverage. Yeah.
Well, we have an option. We have it's not necessary to have it as we have another option that we can have panelists and people, speakers together, and we have the parents and the other audience sitting there, and whoever wants to ask a question can ask, and take part in the debate.
I think first of all everybody will put up his point of view on a particular subject, and is it education or business? And after that it will be an open session to whoever wants to volley, put up the volley.
Yeah, and I think all the people are very agitated right now. It's more and more looking like a business. Earlier when I used to tell people it's a business, nobody was talking. But now with the fee hikes, I have paid for the 11th and 12th standard students who have passed out from the school. Why am I paying for them? Because they can't pay anymore. So no, that's happened. Most parents are paying out that. What is that thing called? What commission is that? Some new thing which they started collecting in schools.
This has been simmering for a long time. The parents are very
Have you also paid?
schools, but
You paid something through a note?
I've paid 7,010.
that's what I said. It's been simmering for a very long time. You see, when it's
No, I like the
time for
topic. I think the title was very
admission to
nice.
the
Is it
nursery
business or
or
education?
Yes, actually, it is aspiration of the parents to push the children into something which they are not equipped with, and the teachers are being forced to, make them plan. If they don't, they get hit. That's what I'm talking about.
I think it was pretty articulate in those terms. So any relevant questions, which I think it's basically it's not to elaborate on the entire thing. articulated. Now, going back, the group can work together and try to make a full proposal out of it. That would be the idea. So, find a way of working online, and that would give all of you that exposure to. So, you've been club, you've been group. That's the A group. Now, that's the B group. So, yeah. So, any other questions?
After this, you go online to
Yeah, with all your team members.
right now.
Not now. Next week. Now take the weekend off. Enjoy the Sundays. We are not so dictatorial also.
It will be something like the Chief Minister's conclave or type India Today's conclave, where the opposition party member of parliament also has to find his way among those 300 also. So that makes sense.
Okay, any other questions, or shall we go ahead with your presentation? Fine, so we'll go ahead with that presentation. A good hand for all of you. I think it was a good effort. I think the day has paid off somewhere.
I am sorry, I have to take your leave.
Yeah,
Because I
okay.
have to-
Okay, one thing before you go, we want all of you to do this, and you're going to get an evaluation form. Your certificate and a CD of today's proceedings would come to you in a courier. The rest all would come to you in an email, along with the evaluation form for the various speakers and things like that, which you need to fill up online. But before you go, we want just 4 or 5 lines from you on your candid views about today's day.
But they cannot see the picture.
Yeah, I know. But
It has to be turned.
No, I'm asking. Is it okay? Our aim is for you guys to read
no, that's the fact. Come, pull your hands there.
Since you go to the speaks.
Okay. I think you can hear me. Well, speak louder.
Tendency through entrepreneurship. So our goal is to promote entrepreneurship
Thanks a lot.
among the youth.
So that those are better jobs, and they become independent. They have their own company. They becomes an entrepreneur. Because entrepreneurship is a social issue, a global issue these days. And companies these days are also opening entrepreneur centers so that youth can join them and they can become entrepreneurs instead of doing jobs. So that they can become self-independent. That's right. So that's our main motto. And so we planned a show.
We've come up with 3 ways to achieve this larger objective. One is an awareness campaign among college students on possibilities for self-employment, making student colleges aware of self-employment opportunities in the market, and there is another way to do that is finding a job, and there will be sort of that white collar jobs, bringing that awareness to colleges. The second would be awareness among unemployed youth, or people who being sad or who've lost their jobs about opportunities. And the third, both of these have a mass focus or a larger appeal, since both awareness increase. And the third one is training of unemployed youth towards sustainable employment opportunity. These are